Yo guys, what is up? I hope all you guys are staying safe. I hope all you guys are good. I just want to let you guys know I'm trying to keep the videos as positive as possible. It doesn't mean I'm not taking this situation seriously, but I don't want to be all doom and gloom on the videos. I want to make this a positive space. So if you guys could help me out by hitting the like button and dropping a positive comment, especially the positive comment, let's just spread some love down in the comment section below. Make sure everyone is doing okay. I know lots of people are stuck inside right now, and I want to make this somewhere where we can just relax, have a good time, and hang out together for the foreseeable future. Guys, I love you. Post notifications on Instagram and Twitter at Tom Stefanic, just like you see right there. Let's get right into the video. Okay, positive thoughts. The city is empty. It is a beautiful day. The streets are completely clear, so I can ride my boosted board wherever I want. I mean, all things considered, today is a great day. Obviously, the circumstances for the city being empty is absolutely terrible, but the fact that the city is empty is an extremely unique experience that people are never going to be able to experience again in their lives. So I'm going to take full advantage of Broadway being completely empty. Okay, I mean, like, not literally completely empty, but you have to understand New York is a very dense city, and the lack of cars and especially the lack of people on the sidewalk is something that just does not happen here. That was honestly surprising that the bookstore was open. I usually read one book a week, considering that I have absolutely nothing to do this week. I bought two. Man Who Saved the Market, How Jim Simmons Launched the Quant Revolution. This is about antisocial, online extremists, techno-utopians, and the hijacking of the American conversation. I don't know if they're good, I don't know if they're terrible, but if I'm gonna be locked in my apartment for the next, I mean, who knows how long. No one really wants to do anything. Everyone is being safe, being responsible, staying inside, which is great, except it can get a little boring for someone like myself that gets a little stir crazy and anxious staying in one place at one time. Thankfully, I found one of my friends who is actually willing to get out of the house and do something today. Guys, this is my friend Jess. She's literally the only person that would leave her house to do anything with me.
I don't think I'm gonna get the coronavirus. I feel like I'm on the news. Yeah. I heard Tom has the coronavirus though.
You make one joke of a tweet and everyone thinks it's real. So you need to hold down the trigger, otherwise it doesn't work.
Wait.
And you roll that forward to go. And roll it back to brake.
Oh, so you control it with this?
Yeah, yeah.
Wait, I can't drive a car though either.
I think you'll be good.
Oh my god. I have to go slow. How do I turn?
You shift your weight, just like a regular skateboard.
Oh my god, I hate it. I hate it. Wait, how do I make it stop?
You pull it back to the brake. You dropped your phone. She's not even quitting, she's going. Don't kill yourself, please.
I can't. Why is it so hard? How do you do this?
Okay, please don't die.
I'm so scared.
Go, look, there's no cars, you're good.
I feel like Mary Poppins or something.
You're so slow.
Because I'm scared.
Hurry up, there's a bus behind you. Let's go straight forward. It's super safe, just don't be terrified. Have you ever ridden a bike on the street before?
Not in New York.
Now's a good time to start because there's no cars. Ladies and gentlemen, first rule of riding a bike in the streets of Manhattan is confidence. Now, Jess back here is not confident, but you're about to get hit by a bus.
What?
There's a bus. How are you holding up?
I'm scared a little bit.
That's what rides
Oh my god, you know why? It's St. Patrick's Day.
Want to race?
No, get out of my face. I'm mad.
Why?
Because this is scary.
Whose idea was it to use a bike?
Okay, but still. Wait, where are you going?
Bye!
I'm okay, kind of. Still alive, but I'm barely breathing.
You're literally the slowest bike rider I've ever seen in my life.
Stop.
We were going like 3 miles an hour. You see that girl jogging? She was going faster than us.
I was fine. I was being confident.
I don't know where I'm going after this, so I figured we might as well save some battery.
Are you holding on?
Yeah, I'm holding on to you. This kid is beating you. This kid is gonna beat you in a race.
No, I'm not.
Whoa! Look, this 8-year-old child is beating her.
I'm not racing him.
You're right, it's not even, look at him go.
You can't make me laugh or else I won't be able I can't open my eyes and laugh at the same time.
Wow.
I hate this.
Look, another child is beating you, and he's doing wheelies. Okay, put on an Instagram if you guys are following me on Instagram, a Q&A. Most of these are probably going to be directed towards you, and I'm just warning you, they're going to be terrible. Who's your favorite music artist?
That's too broad of a question. It would depend on the genre.
Would you date a gamer?
No.
Why not? That's so racist.
I'm joking. Racist?
Yeah.
Prejudice.
No, racist.
Or even, I don't even know if prejudice is the word. We're like on a downhill slant. I'm like using my abs to like.
She cute.
Thanks.
Is this your girlfriend?
Just tell everyone
girlfriend?
this is my quarantine boyfriend.
Yeah, this is my quarantine girlfriend.
We're actually here for mating purposes. We're gonna be having kids soon.
You guys ask really terrible questions. No offense to you. Are you and Jess dating and getting the COVID-19 together?
Yeah, we're all in this together.
Does Tom give you any shoes?
I've known him for like 3 minutes. The first time we met, he actually gave me 5 pairs.
I did, but guys, when we break up, she's gonna return them all to me, and I'll make like a 17-minute video crying about the end of the relationship.
Yeah.
Favorite part of New York City?
I like that there's always something to do other than when there's the coronavirus.
Kiss?
No.
If you were to write a movie, what would it be about?
My life, because
She's so narcissistic. Stay away from girls like this. It's a huge red flag.
Guys, I'm not narcissistic. It's just my life story would be very intriguing.
She grew up in Rhode Island and her parents pay her rent.
Shut up! I'm also crazy, so it works out fine.
Have her be blindfolded. I like where this is going. And hand her a shoe and she has to guess what it is.
Guys, it was what made Tom fall in love with shoes.
I don't know, I wouldn't really say I'm in love with shoes. I mean, I like them, they're cool. You can wear them on your feet, they look cool. By the way, if you guys are wondering what I'm wearing my Shadow 1s and she is wearing
dirty Converse.
Yeah, I wouldn't say I love them, they're shoes.
Your friend Ari said to cough on strangers, which I don't think is a good idea.
I'll pay you $10.
No, that's just
11.
mean. No.
34.
No. If you could bring only one piece of advice to your younger self, what would it be? I would tell myself to be patient.
I would tell myself to invest in Amazon. I would tell myself to tell my dad to invest in Amazon because I would be a little kid and I wouldn't have money. And then I'd say, Dad, put all your money in this and we'll split the profits and we'd both be filthy rich. She is trying to climb up to the statue up there. I'm pretty sure all the cops are staying at home today, so you're totally fine. You're not gonna get in trouble. Please don't try this at home, and I apologize to any of the museum staff if this is like really bad. You set an alarm off? What's that alarm?
That's an Amber Alert.
Oh, it's an Amber Alert. Learn how to slow the spread of COVID. Oh, as soon as I went up there, was this alarm that started beeping, and I got terrified. But it was my phone giving me an update about coronavirus, about how to stay safe. You good?
How the fuck do I get down? I should be a rock climber. Okay. Did it? Oh, I'm dirty.
You surviving the quarantine?
I am surviving the quarantine with no customers.
You look good. You got a haircut?
I did. I got a haircut. I took some little grooming time. I went for a jog.
Hey.
I did some workout things. Oh, dick.